In this video, we're going to learn 5 useful and practical words in Irish. These are the type of words you would hear from time to time on Irish language television and radio. And they're good to know. They can help you with your confidence in terms of understanding Irish, speaking it, and writing it as well. If you want to learn more about the Irish language, learn more words, phrases, and a bit about the history of the language, then why not subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So back to this video now on 5 useful words. Our first word is muinnean. Muinnean means confidence. Muinnean. And féin bhuinean means self-confidence. Féin bhuinean. Tá féin bhuinean agam. I am self-confident. Tá féin bhuinean agam. Chael daoine muinnean sa rialtas. The people lost faith or lost confidence in the government. Chael daoine muinnean sa rialtas. Our next word then is aspa. Aspa means a lack of something or to be very short of something. Aspa. For example, tá aspa tacky That means he is lacking in experience or he lacks experience. Tá aspa tacky Tacky there is the Irish for experience, and spelled A-I-R, is the preposition for him. Tá aspa tacky Bhí aspa ólas ann. There was a lack of information. Bhí aspa ólas ann. Next then, tacaíocht. Tacaíocht means backing or support. Tacaíocht. So, for example, tá tacaíocht anna loidir acu. They have very strong backing, or they have great support. Tá tacaíocht anna loidir acu. Our next word then, unad. Unad is the Irish for a centre, a place, or a complex of some type. For example, Unad Oireachta is a heritage centre. Unad Oireachta. Unad Sira is a holiday resort. Unad Sira. Mar hampla. Bhí faibe guin leis an unad. We had a problem with the venue. Bhí faibe guin leis an unad. Our next word then, cadrav. This means relationship. Cadrav. And it could be used in terms of a relationship between people or between countries. Cadrav. Tá cadrav ma adran. We have a good relationship. Tá cadrav ma adran. Let's go down through those 5 words again. Muinnean is confidence. Aspa is a lack of something. Tacaíocht, backing or support. Unad means a centre or a place. And cadrav is relationship. In the comment section below, I'd like you to translate the following sentence into Irish. There is a lack of love and communication in their relationship. So please let me know in the comment section how you would write that in Irish. You can use the words that we've learned in this video here, of course. So once again, there is a lack of love and communication in their relationship. Let me know in the comment section. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back very, very soon. Slán tamil.